Today is August 31st, and on this day in 1990, the unity flag was unveiled. It was at the occasion of the first conference on the national symbols of Saint Martin, organized by ICONS, the Information Committee on National Symbols. The unity flag, originally called National Flag, was born to give to the people of the island of Saint Martin one tangible symbol around which they could unify. It was created by Lassana Sekou. The unity flag has been used as an anchor at times where the people felt like the island's essence was at risk. Whether it was in the 90s when the French and the Dutch states increased their interest on the island, or in 2020 when the sanitary crisis led to the closure of the border. In 2022, the governments of both sides of the island decided officially to recognize the unity flag as a shared symbol for the people of the island.